So you know your boy driving one day and dashboard showing low coolant, and I'm like, low coolant? Don't tell me I have a leak. Anyways, parked, went on the vehicle, and lo and behold, look at that nonsense right there. Look at that nonsense. Jeez, just my day. And I'm like, wait. First of all, we have to figure out where is this leaking from. You know what I mean? Because it could be the gasket. If it's a gasket, then that's like what, $6-7, brap, and we fix. But nah, let's get a closer look. Right. So the endoscope is telling me this is not coming from the gasket, or as it would be, sliding. This is actually sipping from the sprout. I'm like, what? This is coming exactly from the pulley. So you know what I mean? The entire water pump is faulty. Just my luck today. Here's a closer look of the nonsense. Yeah. See how it coming out there? Yeah. Done. So you know what that means. New water pump. I am never buying a water pump from Amazon again. So anyways, we're gonna change it. Got a new one from Rock Auto. And basically I just did a time lapse because, it took me like 10 years to change that because doing it by myself. So we just speed it up so you can get an idea. Taking out the air intake now and all that stuff. So yeah, that's basically the vibe. Move the guard of the fan, and then the fun part now is taking out the fan. So run those hoses out. We have to drain it, but we're outside, so didn't need a bucket or nothing like that. Figure why we're gonna do that for. Spill it, we just replace it with more coolant. Yep. And then we use this little belt tool thingy to get that clutch fan out. Old school clutch fan. Yeah, here we go. Boom, we're outside. And then just rig it out there, you know what I mean? Spin it out. Alright, now we can get to everything else that we need to. Pull that from the serpentine belt, and then now we get that pump out. Right? I think it's about 6 bolts, 3 on each side. You gotta be careful with those things because they like to break. But once you get it out, you take your time and you do what you need to do, then it should be good. And then easy peasy, check everything, make sure you balance. Always take it out adjacent. Never take out one side first and then the other side, because the weight might mess up the bolts. And here we go, boom, we're out. Now, before you put a new pump in, you have to clean that area, like seriously clean that area. So I'm using a soft brush head first to get up most of the stuff, because you don't want to scratch anything, you don't want to leave any residue or nothing like that, because it will not seal properly. I use my trusty brick cleaner, never leave home without it. And then I have a little bit, sand down all the past sealer and all that other stuff that was there before, to make sure everything flush. See, clean real nice, neat and tidy, you check me. So now we're ready to put the pump back, put the new one. Now I bought a water pump with the thermostat as one kit, and I would suggest you do that because some water pumps will not fit standard thermostats and vice versa. So to avoid the problem, just get the full kit. That's what I recommend. Make sure you always get the water pump with the thermostat. Now everything look nice, neat, everything seal up. So I use a liquid gasket, blue, high temperature. You can get that at AutoZone, and just run the serpentine belt back. Exactly. If you don't remember, there's diagrams online, but you always take a video or a picture of how your serpentine belt arrangement is, so that you don't put it back the wrong way, because if you do put it back the wrong way, it will not work. You cause a serious problem. And anyways, is putting them hoses back, putting the fan back, basically just reverse engineering the entire thing and putting everything back. And finally, almost there. Just putting back all government pieces back where it was. Make sure we are ready. So, and then we go for the moment of truth now to just start up everything and make sure we have no leaks. We let the engine run a little bit, and then we run it for like 20 minutes to get the full PSI. Went under. Not a drop was spilled. So that basically solved the problem. I'm a very happy camper. Thank you for your time and everything, you know what I mean? But check your boy Ari for your repairs, you know? And check out my page. Yeah, and you know it is already. Like and subscribe, get more tips. Yeah, that is the vibes. I out.